Hi and welcome to the channel. This next video is a quick guide on how to install a virtual background while using Zoom. A virtual background is a very useful feature in Zoom. It enables you to hide the location where you're at while you're using the software. First, you open your web browser and you go to unsplash.com. That's unsplash.com. Okay, and in the search photos and illustration bar, you type virtual background, press enter, and it loads up another page. And as you can see, under virtual background is actually an option for Zoom background, so you can click there and then it loads up all the different virtual backgrounds that you can choose. And in this one, I'm just going to choose a very simple one. I'm going to choose the second one in the middle, the one by Vladimir. I just clicked on it, it opens it up, and I click on download for free. Then that's it. We've downloaded it. Next, you click on your Zoom app. It opens up the app. Click on your account, which would be on the upper right hand corner of the screen. You click on it. Then you go to settings. Under settings, you go to video and effect, which are on the left hand corner. You click on it and it opens up the camera option for you, and you would click in virtual background, then click on the little plus sign and add image. Okay, and then choose the image that you wanted to add. And this one, it's already on the desktop. We click on it, click open, and there our background has been changed. And that's it. This is the process of installing a virtual background in Zoom. This was installation of a virtual background in Zoom in a nutshell. I hope this was easy for you to follow. If this was helpful, please support the channel, give us a thumbs up, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, take care and have a good day. Bye-bye.